Skippy the rabbit hops in the sun, picking fresh veggies one by one. Carrots, peas, and lettuce too, all from his garden, fresh and new. Nice! Yows! Lip, pick, veggies in a row. Wash, 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 make them sparkle glow. Skippy loves his garden treats, healthy, yummy things to eat. Into the kitchen, hop, hop, hop. Skippy sets the veggies on top. Turns on the water, splish and splash. Washes them clean in a little dash. Sass! Yes! Pick, veggies in a row. Wash, 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 make them sparkle glow. Skippy loves his garden treats, healthy, yummy things to eat. Now he chops with care so neat. Crispy veggies, what a treat. Red and yellow, green and white. A rainbow plate so bright and light. Add a dip of hummus too. Crunchy sticks for me and you. Making snacks is easy, see. Healthy eating's fun for me. Last! Year, pick, wash, Skippy loves to share. Crunch, munch, yum, veggies everywhere. Skippy eats with a big bright grin. Healthy food for strength within. Hop, 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 hooray, let's sing along. Eating veggies makes us strong. Skippy smiles from ear to ear. Healthy snacks for all, my dear. Ho, 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 ho.
Hey kids! Ask your parents to visit our website www.toonvideos4kids.com and sign up for your free kids activity pack today.